Alright, so if you watch my channel, you know I've gone off the grid. At least 27 watts worth of off the grid power. Anyway, this is the box I've put all my controller stuff in. I was going to make a wiring diagram, but I figured I'll just video it and stick it on my channel, and then I don't have to do anything other than reference this video. But let me open it up and you can see what I've got going on. And what I did here, I just had an old, I think that was an aluminum telescopic bird feeder pole or something. But anyway, cut it out, put a piece of flex there, and then the wire goes back to my panel and batteries and then up to the load. That worked out pretty good. Anyway, let me open it up and take a look inside. Here we go. It's opened up, so my power comes in here, goes through the fuse. From the fuse it feeds into here, this timer, and when that timer kicks on, it fires up this thing, which is a low voltage. It'll kick off if I get below a certain voltage, which I've set on the side with those dip switches, if you can see them there. Then it blasts out to my load here. If I ever get more of a load, I'll just use this to control a relay or something, a heavy-duty relay, and then handle my power that way. This socket right here is for a data logger thing that I've got, where I can plug this in and it'll take a voltage reading every minute, and then I have to just come out here and yank it out, put it on my PC and check out the graph. I can show you one of those, but that's what all these little jumpers here are all about. So anyway, there it is, final product. It's been working great. Everything, this is from Amazon, this is from Amazon, that's from something I had laying around. Same with this terminal strip. There we go, off the grid. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.